Wow, it must be CNCO day today because I'm going to their concert next week on the 17th at 8 p.m. Concert starts at 9. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, KEMARI Reaction. I'm about to do another reaction to the group CNCO. And this is CNCO show what they know about each other. And I love this interview. I have a feeling that some of these questions are starting to become a little bit repetitive. According to the videos I did way back since last year when Rolling Stone asked some question about CNCO. I think some of these interviewers are asking the same repetitive question, but I'm gonna go with it because I like the group CNCO and I love to see Zabdiel and Richard and Eric and Chris. I could be the fifth member. No, I can't sing. I don't have time for that. Don't have time for that.
I prepared a game for you guys. If you're down to play. The game is
this one, Rolling Stone?
Do you know CNCO?
Okay.
And we got even a thing for it. Look at this.
Hey, do you know
That's
CNCO?
nice.
Yo, we're gonna need you for a video, a video set in our show, bro. This is crazy.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna hand you each one of these boards. You can pass them around. So we're gonna go one by one. And for example, we can start with Rich, but for example, right, I'm going to say like, oh, what's Rich's favorite dinosaur, right? That's not an actual question, but I'm going to say that. And then you guys are all going to have to write down what you think his favorite dinosaur is or what you think the answer to the question is, right? And there's going to be 3 questions per person. And for each one you get right, you're going to get a point. We even got a scoreboard that's up, right? Yeah, right there.
Let's go.
The first question for Rich. What is his favorite food? All right, let's see. All right, what did everybody guess? Okay, Chris guessed mom's food, Dominican food, mango. Oh, okay, let's see.
Hey, mango and pizza.
Mango and pizza.
Mango is Dominican.
All right.
Mango is Dominican.
I can't lie.
Okay.
Mango is Dominican.
Okay, so
more accurate.
do we count that? Do we count that for just Zabdiel? Do we count that for Dominican food as well? I think
all of it.
No, dile
we're gonna give it to Zabdiel. Okay, Zabdiel, that's a point for Zabdiel up
He was
there.
more specific.
I love mom's food as an
he
answer.
saw him from up there.
What is Rich's favorite song to perform live? Oh, this time we'll go Zabdiel first. So what'd you say?
Hero?
I said Desero.
Desero. Okay.
Oh, that's a good one too.
Are you ready, Eric?
Either Desero or Hero.
Oh, mamita. Okay. Ya tu sabes.
Ya tú sabes.
What is it, Rich? What would you come up with? Toda la noche.
That's good.
Oh, what a nice way to plug a promotion for the new song.
To dance, and perform and stuff. Yeah, great. But to sing, Desero and Mamita are like.
Yo, I lost my.
Pero ya tú sabes, you're right. Ya tú sabes.
How you call? No, the thing for.
Oh, the eraser thing?
Yeah.
I love the sound.
How you say that in English?
Oh, it's a racer.
Racer. Eraser.
Where did it even go on?
It's fine. Oh, that one. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, nice. There we go.
Thanks.
Oh, okay.
Production helping.
All right, so the last question we got for Rich over here. Is Rich a dog or a cat person? Cat.
Dog.
Chris says he's a cat person.
I say dog.
Let's go over there, Eric. Cat person. Oh my God, cat person. Oh, and what are you, Rich? What are you? Yeah, he's a cat person.
Wow. I expect to see him with a pit bull.
I like
And chicken.
Yeah. I like chicken.
Chicken has like a pet chicken or like
I had a pet chicken when I was little, man. Yeah, I love monkeys too, but chickens were like, he was my friend.
Right now, I think we're gonna move to Eric's round, if that's all right. Okay. All right. So you got a lot to choose from here, right? What's Eric's favorite genre of music?
So I said reggaeton and ballad.
I would say reggaeton for me, reggaeton.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Pop music from like Anglo pop music. Like, for example, like Billie Eilish.
Trap, reggaeton, ballad, salsa, bachata.
For music, dog.
Wow, that's all that.
I think Zabdiel have another point.
Reggaeton and pop. Okay. You know what? Let's see.
Because I remember he said something about reggaeton.
Reggaeton. All right, you know what? Let's give everybody a point for that one. Okay, what is the color of Eric's favorite shirt? Black. Zabdiel. Black.
Of course, it's always wearing black color.
Eric, black.
It's always wearing black.
That's 4 points for everybody right there. Drake or Kanye?
Drake.
Okay. Drake.
I say Drake because he doesn't really know
Drake.
much about Ye,
And it's Drake.
right? So it's Drake, yeah.
Because Drake is newer for him because he's a little bit younger.
Answers, right?
So I too would say Drake.
Zabdiel with 5, Christopher with 4, Richard.
Oh, he
with
knows his
2.
bad members.
Yo, what's up with y'all, bro? Which,
And we got Eric with 2.
okay.
Yeah, Richard and Eric.
Okay,
you
okay.
guys went first, so you guys got a chance.
man, I was about to
catch
say,
up
yo,
right now.
no, man, I don't like a track.
Yeah, they keep me on track with the score. I've seen people in the chat. Okay, now we're gonna move to Christopher next. So, what is Chris's favorite city to play shows in?
Fans over there are crazy, crazy,
New York.
crazy good, and we love them over there. So
Okay.
I'm just gonna put this right here.
Oh, so
And of
I
course-
definitely know what it is.
We're gonna start with Eric this time. Buenos Aires. Oh. Santiago. Wait, is that Santiago? Oh my God.
No, a little.
Wait, but crazy,
What'd you say? You say Buenos Aires too?
Yeah, Buenos Aires.
like
Buenos
crazy
Aires.
vibes, like
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
Santiago,
Santiago,
is
man,
like,
they don't
yeah,
hard.
he's right.
heavy
That was a
Yeah.
tricky question.
It was a tricky question
crazy
because
like
we.
that, it gets in a few places.
It's hard, yeah. It's hard. Like Buenos Aires in Chile, in Ecuador, in
Mexico,
República Dominicana, in Mexico. We have a lot of fans. But I put Buenos Aires because I remember that was our very first show where we went to Ricky,
Ricky.
and it was 40,000 people. Our first show at CNCO, bro.
Your first show
Opening
ever?
the show to Ricky.
Oh my God! To Ricky Martin?
To
Yeah,
Ricky
man.
Martin.
Oh, guy.
40,000 people, bro. Like 40,000.
Wow.
Did you guys work a lot with Ricky Martin early on?
We worked.
Yeah,
for
we
him.
we opened his
worked
tour
His
for
tour,
like
yeah.
a few
For 3 months?
for like 3 months.
Wow.
No, those 2 months for a few fechas, and then we worked with him for a year, and so a year and a half.
Yeah, he was
Being
our
part of
manager
his
for a little bit.
management.
He was your
team.
manager too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. That's awesome. All right, Chris. How do you feel about the Twilight franchise? Do you like it or do you not like it? All right, let's see. He likes it. Look at that. We got
I say
likes
he
it.
likes
That's some great.
Let's
All right,
go.
everybody-
Yeah.
Everybody gets it right.
I haven't seen the whole thing, but it's dope. I like werewolves.
Ooh,
Yeah.
werewolf. Okay, Wolverine.
Yo, the score is kind of tripping me out, man.
Let's see what we got.
Here we go, man.
Yeah, Zabdiel's still in the lead. Then we got 4 for Richard, 4 for Christopher, and 3 for Eric.
I have 3. When the hell? Okay.
Okay. So this last one, I took it from the chat. Somebody in the chat has been suggesting it. So, does Chris like jewelry or hats more?
I'm not giving this.
Hats.
I'm not giving this answer.
I would say tattoo.
we're ready.
You guys ready? All right, cool. Let's start with Rich over here.
Hatch.
Hats. Zabdiel. Hat. 1 hat.
I was gonna put, I didn't finish, but I put hats and lately.
Hats and lately. What do you think, Chris?
I like more jewelry.
Oh.
Get it. I have like maybe
Hats.
200 hats.
Wow.
100
200 hats?
100. I don't know how much. Like in between my house in Ecuador, between Miami, between the ones I have.
Wow. You got like just a closet for your hats? Or
I don't.
like-
I just have them like
throw them.
around and I wish I had one. I need one.
And last round we got, let's see if Zabdiel can keep his lead right now. He's leading with 7. If anybody can get 3, people can tie.
Yeah, we can
possibly. And Rich has the opportunity to get more. What is the brand of Zabdiel's favorite shoes?
Ooh. Yeah, he does have ugly taste in shoes to me.
All right, Chris, let's start with you then.
Ooh.
Nike and expensive shoes.
He does like Nike.
Very accurate, though.
Eric,
I put sandals and Nike.
sandals. Okay, Nike. Okay.
I
Rich?
put Nike Air Forces.
Nike Air
Yeah.
Forces. All right, very specific. That's a good one.
Yeah.
All right, what do you got?
Yeah, like,
Nike.
He does like Nike.
What's so whack though, but you get it.
Gets the
He
point.
does like Nike.
What is Zabdiel's favorite CNCO song?
Hey.
Do you know CNCO?
You know?
Yeah, of course
I mean, of course,
know.
you know the CNC songs, but the favorite one.
Of course I know.
See?
I know. Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Huh?
You have to.
Yeah, so many times, yo.
See?
Yeah.
Nightline. See?
I swear. Yeah.
I said, ¿qué va a ser de mí?
¿Qué va a ser de mí?
I say que va a ser de
¿Qué va a ser de mí?
Cabrón, ¿cómo pusiste?
¿Qué va a ser de mí? Y todas las noches.
Yeah.
No,
¿Qué va a ser de mí? Look at that.
I didn't. I thought I was gonna be wrong, to be honest. I put toda la noche too just in case, pero I didn't.
Yo, I thought you guys are gonna fail in this one.
I thought
But,
I was gonna fail too.
That was a good one.
Wow.
Respect.
So now we got, oh wow, 3 you were tied. We got 7, 7, 7.
Ahí lo voy a apretar.
Eric with 6. Somebody could, one of you could win this time at this round. And this is the last question. Would Zabdiel rather go a week without his cell phone or a week without going out? I noticed how the vibe just got really serious all of a sudden.
This is how you know it gets like this, bro. When we're playing games, yeah. When we're playing games, bro.
Yeah, when you guys are playing Smash together.
Yeah, it's like one round of school after 2, and then you see the third one. Everybody getting serious.
The vibe gets heavy. Yeah.
Richie, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Eric, we'll start with you this time.
Okay. I put any of them.
Any of them.
Go without.
¿Cómo lo ves?
Both. That's a loophole answer. I like that.
that's
a
cheating.
risk.
That's
Sweet,
cheat.
smart.
Okay, let's go, Chris. What do you got? Without his phone.
Okay.
A week without his phone.
Same. A week without.
A week
his phone.
without his phone. What'd you say, Zabdiel?
A week without going out. I said.
Oh, a week without
Yeah.
going out. Okay.
Going out.
A week without going out. Oh yeah.
So, yo,
I would too. I would say with a week ago going out, because I've always said he's always a laid back person. He tends to like to go around with friends and people who he knows. Then going out, he's basically like to uncomfortable space. So I can understand that. And he likes to produce music and do production type of work. So he's gonna need his phone.
Chucky representando.
You know what I'm saying?
We out here
in the
lead.
Looks like Richard is the winner over here, guys.
Hey, thank you. I just want to thank my mom. I want to thank my dad. My grandma for giving birth to my mom.
If you have anything to say to your fans before you guys head out, floor is yours.
First of all, we want to say thank you to all of the CNC owners watching us right now. Thank you for all of your support. Thank you for still being here with us. Thank you for listening to Toda la Noche. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna end it right there. As you guys can see, that was another nice, fun, great interviews. As I said before at the beginning of this video, some of these questions are repetitive, some of the themes keep repetitive, but it's good to see them now in this stage. You can see them. They all looked so bad. I'm gonna leave it as that. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link in the comment section and get to as soon as possible. I was looking at you guys too. I really do appreciate it.